Okay, so this is what I do and what I pack. I suggest for 7 days if you want some good quality skincare that does not break the bank. You don't want to bring full bottles. I would suggest to go and check out the Sulwhasoo kits, the small little ones. The one that I got is the essential kit, and I've actually seen this at TJ Maxx for a discounted price. So you guys, you know, on a budget, it's better than like these standard things that you would be getting. And plus it's the perfect travel size. So I will show you pretty much all you need for a good routine. I'm not trying to bring 1,000 bottles, but I also don't want to bring just basic stuff and then these 7-10 days whenever you're on vacation go by and you're like, wow, I just was so harsh to my skin in the sun and I didn't even bring anything to really like help it out. I just brought basic soap and moisturizer, and this was probably the harshest I've been on my face because you're in the sun constantly on vacation. So I want to make sure you're covered. So these are the steps that I brought, and I will show you how I use the kit. It's so easy. This is the little gentle foaming cleanser it comes with. You only really need 1 pump. I know it looks so small, but just use 1 pump and it lathers really well. So I'll show you. So you wet your face, and then the gentle foaming cleanser, 1 pump, 2 maybe, but literally 1 pump. I trust this cleanser so much. Cleans your skin gently, and it's not like harsh soap. So I noticed too, being in the sun a lot, it's not really how much foam you cleanse with, but more of like how much you work it into your skin. Okay, and then as you can see, it foams, but I've been using water with it, so it smooths around a lot better. And then we rinse it. And already, I feel like it's fresh. It's really fresh. Your skin is not tight, but it's cleansed. The next step you want to do is the activating serum, which is the biggest step in the kit. And I used to put this on second, but you put it on first right after the cleanser because it activates all the other steps. So all right, so that's that. Third step, it comes with the Essential Comfort Water, which is like a toner essence type thing, and you will seal the serum with that. And this is a step in the morning or at night that just like your skin sucks up, especially if you've been like swimming or at the beach or in the water. This water's life. So all these layers are literally penetrating. I can feel it, I can feel it. So the second thing you want to do is the Concentrated Ginseng. This is an emulsion. And you might be like, well, it's really hot where I'm traveling. It don't matter, still layer it on. Even if your skin feels more oily than normal, you still need that hydration. So I just always try to remember, do every single step. It still counts, even on vacation. All right. And last but not least, the little kit comes with a concentrated moisturizer. This is so teeny. So I do suggest, all these steps would last you a week, but for moisturizer, probably bring a backup one because this one's very little, but at least it comes with one. And this moisturizer is really good. So the only thing that the kit doesn't come with is an eye cream, but I'm using the Korean Mary&may dark circle eye cream, and I would just bring a separate one because you see these bags? Oh my god. Bam, done. With these small essentials, you literally did like 5 steps plus the eye cream. Now the other one that you cannot forget is bring your tube of sunscreen, not the body sunscreen, the base sunscreen. Put this on every single morning. Even if you want to get straight to it, I still remember to pack at least like 2 or 3 sunscreens, because you know, you don't realize it, but it's just super harsh on your skin. I'll wake up, hyperpigmentation. I forgot to put on sunscreen. So I'm using the Can Make Mermaid Gel Skin UV. It's a Japanese sunscreen, and it's the one I prefer for traveling. And I just do a layer of this, and I cannot forget the neck. And bam, you are done. This will have you covered, this will have you hydrated, your skin protected, but not only protected, fighting with anti-aging, fighting with hyperpigmentation, and giving your skin what it needs with really small bottles. Really convenient, nothing clunky in the way. Also too, just one thing I want to mention, it's like my little vitamin kit thing. This is really important too. I've been taking these capsules, which are aloe vera powder. It's like sourced right at the spot. So it's like pure aloe vera powder. I take like 3 to 6 a day, I know, but on vacation I find it really helps, especially if you're not drinking the proper amount of water. The aloe vera just really helps if you're in the sun. So I will link that down below too, because yeah, they're pretty much life. So if I have my 5 essential steps that I'm doing, plus these aloe vera pills, I know I'll be good, I'll be good.